Updating your payment information on iCloud is essential for maintaining your subscriptions and services. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Open Settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. If you are using a Mac, open System Preferences. Step 2. Access your Apple ID. Tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu. On a Mac, click on your Apple ID in the System Preferences window. Step 3. Go to Payment and Shipping. Select Payment and Shipping from the menu options. You may need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID/Touch ID for verification. Step 4. Update payment information. Here, you can add a new payment method or edit your existing information. Ensure that all details, including the card number, expiration date, and billing address, are accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payment information, make sure to save your changes. You should see a confirmation that your payment details have been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on iCloud. Regularly check your details to avoid any disruptions in your services.